Hello my crafty friends, it's Terry from Veegstez Creates here with another crafty video for you. Today I'm going to show you how I've made this beautiful floral wreath trifold card. So looking at it from the front you can see it's lovely and dimensional. We've got lots of beautiful florals. I've used the Mom Teapot Die set, so the florals from that, these florals here. And I used a sentiment from an older set, the double carrier, and I cut the aperture using one of the squares from the classic squares set. So this is a trifold card, so we've got lots of room in here. So this one would be a nice one if you wanted to, if you're writing someone an essay, maybe it's a friend far away and you haven't seen them in ages, or maybe for a work a birthday card, if it's someone in the office, if you work in an office, and or if you're in like a someone at your church or faith group or something like that is having a birthday and you want space for lots of people to write things on. I think trifold cards are really nice for that kind of thing. So yeah, so sit back, grab yourself a cuppa, put your feet up, and let's get cracking on seeing how I made this. I've sped it up for you, and we'll put a little bit of music on for you so you can relax and watch the full process without it being a massively long video. So let's dive in. And here we go, my crafty friends, the completed card. So I'm really pleased with the way that this has turned out. I love this colour scheme. It's so spring-like. And today it's actually late January. I think it's the 30th, and it's been quite a bright day, but it's quite like, well, it's freezing cold. And actually, to be working today on this beautiful spring card is really sort of cheered me up, and is making me think more about spring. This is actually my last video with iCrafter, so I won't be with the team after the end of March. I've really enjoyed working with iCrafter's products, and some of them, I mean, some of my particular favourites. I really like this set, to be honest, and looking at it initially, I didn't think that I would be able to find that much inspiration, but there is so much that you can do with it. All I've used from this Mom Teapot set is the floral elements in this leaf cluster. The Happy Birthday was from a previous release, and I just used a square die from the Classic Squares set, which you can see there. Obviously I used a square because I didn't have a circular nesting die, because the shape you're going for is a circle, but a square has worked perfectly well. So I'm very happy with this card. Yeah, I love these colours. If you're interested, if you like speciality cardstocks and you want to see what cardstocks I've used, I'll link them in the description box below for you, as well as obviously the iCrafter products that I've used, the Mom Teapot, which launched this month, the Classic Squares, and the double carrier, which the Happy Birthday one was from, and these little gems are Trinity Stamps bubble blowout ones, in case you're interested. So it's been lovely spending this time with you today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Feel free to leave me any questions or comments that you might have, and take care, and I will see and speak to you soon with some more crafty inspiration. Bye for now.